Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to play chess, an ultimate beginner's guide. Let's start with the chessboard itself. It's a square board with 64 alternating light and dark squares, arranged in an 8x8 grid. Each player begins with 16 pieces, 1 king, 1 queen, 2 rooks, 2 knights, 2 bishops, and 8 pawns. These pieces are always placed in their specific starting positions on the first 2 rows closest to each player. Understanding this setup is your first step to mastering the game. Now, let's explore how each piece moves. The rook moves straight, either horizontally or vertically, any number of squares. Bishops glide diagonally across the board, also any number of squares. The powerful queen can move like both a rook and a bishop. Knights have a unique L-shaped move, 2 squares in one direction, then 1 perpendicularly. The king moves just 1 square in any direction. Pawns advance 1 square forward, but capture diagonally. Remember, playing Skylanders on your iOS device requires a few key pieces of equipment. The most important is a Bluetooth smart portal of power, which wirelessly connects to your iPhone or iPad. This portal is distinct from the USB versions used for consoles. Of course, you'll also need your beloved Skylanders figures to place on the portal and bring into the game. Make sure your Bluetooth portal has working batteries, typically 2 AA batteries, or is fully charged if it's a rechargeable model, for uninterrupted gameplay. Finally, let's talk about winning and some beginner strategy. You win by achieving checkmate, where your opponent's king is under attack and has no valid moves to escape. A good strategy is to develop your pieces early, bringing them into active play and controlling the central 4 squares of the board. Always prioritize protecting your king, often by castling it to safety. Look for chances to capture your opponent's pieces while ensuring your own are well defended. Practice these tips to improve your game.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.